Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a script error that looks something like this. An error has occurred in the script on this page, and it will either say unable to get property type of undefined or null reference, or it will say unable to get property of undefined or null reference. But either way, it's not really causing you a lot of issues, but it keeps popping up. I'll show you a couple different ways that you can address this. So the first thing you can do is come down to your search bar, type in Task Manager, and you'll get this app. We're going to open it. In this window, you're going to see a lot of background running processes or apps. You can try shutting these down if you don't need them. In the computer that I was working on where I got this error, I had Microsoft OneDrive. That was the only thing running. And when I shut that down, the error went away. So in my case, it was Microsoft OneDrive. But in your case, it could be dozens of other things. Look at your background processes list and shut these down one at a time if you don't need them, and see which one turns off your error. Then you'll know which one is the culprit. The other thing you can do is come down to your search bar again, type in Internet Options, and open that up. In this box, we're going to choose our Advanced tab on the right. And here, under your browsing options, make sure that this Disable Script Debugging, make sure that is checked. And if there's not, check it and hit Apply. Then, coming back over here to our General tab on the left, Talking Intro, down here on your Delete button, Browsing History, click on the Delete button. And this is your choice, preserve favorite website data. You can keep that checked or uncheck it if you want, but you're going to want to delete your temp internet files, your cookies, your history, and your download history. So go ahead and try to delete all of those. Most likely, one of these two ways will have solved your issue in most cases. If for some reason your issue still remains, leave me a comment, let me know exactly what the error says, and I can try to help you out. But in most cases that I've seen in my shop, one of these two steps helps. So that's it for this video, guys. Check out the FAQs below in the description. It could save you some time getting an answer. I will try to keep those updated as time goes on. Again, if you need to leave me a question or comment, please do. I will try to get to those a couple times a day at least. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.